guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. Today we're going to be doing another vintage scale model kit catalogue, and I've decided to pull from my stash this Matchbox 1984 catalogue. It's glossy, it's very nice, it's very basic. There's only about 12-13 pages, so I thought we would just go through it and just see what the offerings were for Matchbox back in 1984. If you want to watch the video in the best quality possible, I suggest going to the cog settings and clicking the quality at 1080p. I would also recommend that if you want to watch this slowly, you can either go to the cog settings again, selecting playback speed and selecting 0.25 or 0.5. You can just press pause if you want to just want to see a page. It takes your eyes, just click pause and you can see all the models and all the pictures that are on that page. Then press play after to get you back into the video. Also, go full screen and you will see it in all of its glory. So there we go. Let's carry on and move on to this Matchbox Plastic Kit 1984 catalogue. Enjoy. So yeah, this is the Matchbox Plastic Kit 1984. There's not really much in this one. As I said, it's only a few pages, but it just shows you the box art. The colours, I've been told, are the pricing. So if it was a purple, it was like the cheaper range. Goes on to the military. They do 1 to 76 here. 1 to 76. If you'll notice that the Airfix are now moving over to 172 with their armour. So yeah, there's quite a bit in this catalogue to take your fancy. Obviously, the brown was the bikes, and then, you know, Revell do this now anyway. I know they bought a lot of Matchbox, but they also do the kits. So you've got water-soluble paints for modern aircraft. I presume it's when acrylics really came in. I never touched acrylics when I was at this age. It was all basically enamels. But there is proof that there was acrylic paint back in the day. And then you have your military figures. And that was basically it in the catalogue. And to buy the catalogue in Ireland was 20p, so I'm assuming it was the same price in the UK as well. So there you are. That was the Matchbox 1984 plastic kits. If you built any of these kits in this catalogue, just leave a comment down below and just tell me how it was for you back in the day. You know, have you built them recently? Because I know you can buy the Matchbox kits but rebox as Revell. Just let me know what your thoughts on these kits, and it'd be good to hear from you. Anyways, if you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.